this land of America, so many travel there. I'm going now while I'm still young, my darling, meet me there. Wish me luck, my lovely, I'll send for you when I can, and we'll make our home in the American land. Over there the women wear silk and satin to their knees. Children hear the sweets I hear are growing on the trees. Gold comes rushing out the river straight into your hands if you make your home in the American land.
The sidewalk, the strutters line a song. Dear, I hear the pamphlet from the boss, it's all gone. There's treasures for the taking for any hard-working man who'll make his home in the American land.
The Salskis, the Smiths, the Willies too. The blacks, the Irish, Italians, the Germans, and the Jews.